Hi, I'm Brad Sweezy, president of Just Small Biz Marketing. And today I want to talk about how you can use direct mail to help you get more customers, obviously increase your car count into your auto repair shop. Direct mail is something that can be used effectively. You can do it as a standalone campaign, or you can do it to an existing digital campaign, or if you don't have a digital campaign, you can put that in there. You can combine it with other things like social media and reach those customers that way. I've seen countless number of auto repair shops who think that by posting a million things on Facebook, for example, that's just going to drive business. And I've yet to meet a auto repair shop owner who's gotten a significant number of new business, new clients into the shop from Facebook posts. They're a great way if you have some time, to engage and with the existing customers. But on their own, social media doesn't work on its own. Direct mail is not necessarily the best way, but it does get customers if you target it right. The first thing about direct mail is you want to have the right list. Now, you can look at your customer list. Hopefully, you've got them in some kind of system, and you can sort them by zip code, car type, year of car, model, make, etc. And then you can then say, go to a list company, and we can help you do that and find customers who have similar cars and similar age cars, etc. Similar demographics. You can really target where your customers are, and then you buy a list that mirrors what your current customer list is. And if you're happy with that customer list, that's great. If you want to break into a new market, for example, then you can buy that particular list. So it's very good to get that right list. And then once you get that list, you can even upload it to social media and use it to get those people on social media that have gotten your postcard. So the key, though, is you got to have the right list. The nice second way to use direct mail is you can send checkups to existing customers. And one of the things, and look, last year I had 13 cars. Okay, so that's how many tires? 52 sets of tires or so a year, brake jobs, oil changes, various other issues that popped up with the cars. And, I moved, I went to a repair shop with three of my cars, spent about $4,000 in a week on that thing. And I have yet to hear from them. And that's now 9 months after going there. I got a Repair Pal, email, after the fact, but it was garbage in my opinion. Never got a follow-up letter, never got a follow-up call, never got anything. So do you think I'm taking my car back to that independent auto repair shop? Not happening, and I'm in this space with auto repair shops. So I like to hear from somebody. If I just spent, $4,000 or so in a week, I'd like to hear from you, especially when I tell you I have 13 cars. So direct mail is a great way for you to, send reminders, oil changes, routine maintenance, but you can also do like we do with some of our auto repair shops. You can say, hey, we're doing a food drive this month, but, bring in $20 worth of food and we'll give you a $20 off service, things along those lines. So it's been very effective for existing customers. You can do these advertised special customer only deals, right? People want to feel special. You get it in the mail, and it's definitely something that's worth doing. You can always start the referral rewards program. It's very difficult to do, right? I mean, it's very hard to get referrals, get people to refer it. Auto repair shop, somebody refer an auto repair shop to somebody else, but you can do it. So you start a referral rewards program. You send out the postcard. You can even send out a little card, etc. And they can pass on the card and get a benefit too. You're not going to get a huge number of people doing it, but it's a way of reaching out to them. And you've got two sides in the postcard. So one side can be something referral program. The other side can be a deal for them to come in. So you can use it for multiple ways, I guess, in that space. And it's not really cost prohibitive. Independent auto repair shop, with maybe a 700-800, customers, etc., can do a direct mail thing for probably $750. That includes designing the thing. So if you know what your ARO is, hopefully it's 500 or more. You can then make it up in a customer or so. So it's really not too expensive, and it's a way for you to reach the customers. It's also a way for you to reach the other person in the house that may not get that email, right? I mean, I'm a guy. Very often I'll ignore a check engine light. I'll check it out with the code reader. But a lot of guys I know, the check engine light goes off. They ask themselves, is the car running? Yes. They keep on driving it. Not everybody does that. So if you're just emailing them, you're not getting the people at home who get the postcard, who may not be the same person that getting the email. And that person who gets the postcard may be one who goes, I need to take care of this. I don't want to be stranded somewhere. So in summary, direct mail can be used to target the right customers, and you can create a lookalike list from your current customers. You can send checkups, existing customers get offers, and you can offer incentive programs. So you can do that. So you don't have to spend a huge amount of money to do that. You get your car count up, you get your ARO up, and this is, maybe a brake job, right? And so you get the cars in, and all of a sudden you've got your direct mail program, paid for. So that's what it's all about. A little bit about us. We do methodical marketing planning, results-based marketing implementation. Okay, you'll deal directly with me. I know the car space, ARO, car count, etc. So it's really just about getting in with your particular auto repair shop, looking what you want to do, and going from there. And if you've got a plan and you can help fund the plan, then you grow your business, right? And that's what it's all about, because there are a lot of auto repair shops out there. If you're in a state like I am in Florida, we don't have the inspections. We don't have the emissions inspections. We don't have the safety inspections. So we don't get those cars coming in. So the clients here in Florida, for example, we have to get them in a non-mandatory way. So we can help you do that. So you can give me a call, you can email me, or you can visit thatcalendly.com, and we'll, schedule a conversation and, go from there. All right. Thanks. Have a good night.